Hi guys, welcome to Chidre's Tech Tutorials educational YouTube channel. If you go to web design and development tutorial section, you find HTML tutorials playlist. If you click on view full playlist, you can find all HTML tutorials where I am explaining almost all HTML tags in depth step by step with their attributes and examples guys. If you want to become master in HTML, I strongly suggest you people to visit and start learning HTML from here. In this video, I would like to discuss HTML meta tag. HTML meta tag is used to define information about the page for SEO, search engine optimization. HTML meta tag is used to define information about the page for search engine optimization and many other purpose guys. Okay, we'll discuss anyhow step by step. What is meta? Meta means data about data. Here you are defining the data about your page guys. Let's take a case study. We'll have a case study and understand how we use meta tag in our page for SEO. Let's take an example. You are creating a website for car on rent business which is located in Hyderabad. Okay, let's say you are creating a website for car on rent business which is located in Hyderabad. So what are the steps we follow? First step is to find the best 15 keywords which people are searching. Okay, we make a list of best 15 keywords. So where do we find the keywords? Here is the site keywordtool.io. I'm going to copy that. I go to the website and I go to the browser and paste and hit enter. You can see that keywordtool.io is open. Here in the Google search, let me check what people are searching in the Google. So here I simply say car on rent and then I click on search. You can see that it is providing list of keywords which people are searching in Google. Car on rent near me, car on rent for a month, my car on rent. Like that it has given around 633 keywords. Out of that we will be choosing best 15 keywords related to our business site. Understanding? Here you can see that I have already listed best 15 keywords: car on rent near me, car on rent for a month, car on rent in Hyderabad, A plus car rentals. Like that I have listed here best 15 keywords. Okay, that is the first step guys for SEO. Second step is define the page title. Okay, based on your keywords list, create a title of the page and should contain between 10 to 70 characters. It should not be more than 70 characters guys. Okay, you can see that here I am using the meta tag to define the page title. Meta name equal to title, and you can see the content is best car on rent business in Hyderabad. Best car on rent business in Hyderabad. And what is this? Here I have took this keyword best car on rent and then business in Hyderabad. I have created this nice title. I'm going to copy this one. Okay, I minimize everything. Here I have default.html page. Let's consider this a home page of our website. Right click, open with the notepad. In the head section, remember meta tags we put inside the head section guys. Meta name equal to title, content best car on rent business in Hyderabad. The same thing I'm going to set as the page title also. So I say here opening title tag, closing title tag. Inside that I put this title. Okay, when someone searches online best car on rent business in Hyderabad, automatically our page is listed in the search result guys. Understanding? Next step is to add all the keywords to our page. How do we add keywords that we collected? Using the meta tag guys. You can see I have written here meta name equal to keywords, content equal to car on rent near me, comma, car on rent for a month, comma. So here you write comma separated list of keywords guys. I'm going to copy this entire thing, okay, and paste it in the head section. That's the next thing, right? You can see I have written here meta name equal to keywords, content car on rent me. I'm going to put them like this. Okay, I'm just putting as a paragraph. Like here we have list of all the best keywords separated by comma, guys. I hope you guys are clearly understanding how the meta tag is being used in the website. Next step is to write a proper description. Based on your keywords list, create a description for the page. Should contain between 70 to 320 characters, guys, not more than 320 characters. You can see I have already written a description. Assume that caronrent.com is the website link. I have written here meta name equal to description. Caronrent.com is best car rental business in Hyderabad. So if anybody searches online best car rental business in Hyderabad, automatically our page is listed at the top of the search result, guys. We provide best service to our customers at cheap price, right? Let me copy that and add that also to the head section. Meta name equal to description, meta name equal to title, meta name equal to keywords, meta name equal to description. So if anybody searches best car rental business or best car rent at cheap price, like that, automatically our page is listed at the top of search results in Google or any other search engine, guys. Understanding? Next, what we do, we mention the author name. So author name can be a person or a company name, guys. Understanding? Here I have already written meta name equal to author, content car on rent business. I have written just a company name here, that's it. Okay, so you can write either, if it is a blog, okay, let's say if you are creating a personal portfolio, then you can write the your own name here, right? Or if you have a book website, in that you have to write the author of the book, okay, like that. Next, we have to mention the encoding method, meta charset equal to UTF-8, meta charset equal to UTF-8, which indicates character set of this document is Unicode transformation format 8. Some people will be writing like this also, UTF in capital, okay, Unicode transformation format 8, which is a character encoding method, guys. Next, we make the page mobile friendly so that our page gets rendered properly in the mobile, tablet, desktop, anywhere. So for that we use this tag, meta name equal to viewport, content width equal to device width, initial scale equal to 1, which we add to the head section. Meta name equal to viewport, where content width should be always equal to device width and initial scale of the content should be 1, normal. Understanding? So this is how the meta tag is used, guys, in the website. I hope you guys are clearly understanding. Let me show you a real-time example here. If I go to Google and search for car on rent Hyderabad, you can see that it has given this site at the top, Zoom car, okay, book self-drive cars in Hyderabad at affordable price. What is that? That is actually page title, and it is displaying discover Hyderabad at your own way with self-drive car rental, book now for the best deals and start your adventure. That is actually the description, guys. That is actually the description and the title. I hope you guys are clearly understanding, right? Not only this, you can have so many meta tags, guys. Let me show you. If I go to this page and if I show the source code of this website, view page source, only we see the meta tags what they are using, so that you get the clear idea, guys. So meta charset UTF-8, which is a character encoding method, right, which I have already written here, charset UTF-8. Next, meta name equal to viewport, which is a mobile friendly, I told you, right, or handheld device friendly, width equal to device width, initial scale equal to 1.0, maximum scale equal to 1 they have set. That means the content cannot be scaled more than normal size, and user have no ability to scale, user scalable no. You can add these details also to your page here. Like for example, I can come over here, I can add that here by giving a comma, and I can say here maximum scale 1.0 and user scalable no, like this. And then you can see this is for Internet Explorer and Microsoft Edge they are using for Chrome. And you can see meta name handheld friendly content equal to true. So as I told, this one you have to add to your head section so that your website becomes handheld friendly also. Okay, just name handheld friendly content true. Okay, you can see title they have given best car rental with Zoom car, explore and drive hassle free. And you can see there's a meta name equal to description, and this ID is for identifying the element uniquely, guys, so you need not worry about this one. Here name, description, and they have given a content nice. Zoom car offer the best car rental options for stress-free travel and all. So see, which we have already added here, the description, right? Next, keywords. You can see best car rental, rent a car, car rental. So these are some keywords they have added for search engine optimization here, right? And there are many other Google site verification and all they have. Even they have defined here meta tags for apps, okay, mobile apps, how they should be. So app, mobile, web page, app title, what should be the title of the app is Zoom car, like that they have added. Whether it can go for full screen, yes or no, like that. And there are some OG also they are using here, right? Open graph title, you can see open graph title, open graph description. Again, these are useful again for social media marketing or social media sharing purpose. So just to give you an idea what is OG, why is it required, let me search for here meta OG. Okay, meta OG, let's search for this one, detailed information which you can learn. So open graph meta tags, everything you need to know. Okay, let's go here and I'll just give a brief idea. Open graph meta tags are snippets code that control URLs are displayed when shared on the social media. Okay, so the main OG description, OG properties you have to use. The main 3 OG properties which you should use here: meta property, OG title, OG description, and OG image. What happens when you define here OG title is displayed in this place? OG title, when it is shared in the, when you share the website link on any other social media, so OG title will get display here, OG description will get display here, and OG image will get display here, guys. Okay, I hope you got more clear idea about the meta tag, how it is being used in our in websites for search engine optimization or social media sharing. For this video tutorial, this much is enough, guys. In the upcoming video tutorials, we discuss more about HTML tags. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please share so that it reaches to many students and they also learn in a better way. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.